Welcome you back to Black Site Tonight. We're going to talk about Representative Jasmine Crockett saying she's against Trump's $5,000 tax refund. First, I would like for you to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, hit that notification button, but also comment on this video. Representative Jasmine Crockett has put her foot in her mouth when she said she's against the DOGE tax refund that will give Americans $5,000. Trump said if they reach $2 trillion in savings, that Americans should receive 20% of that, which will come out to $5,000. Mrs. Crockett comes out and says, we are not in the business of giving out money. This is what she said. And she said, what will $5,000 do? So Miss Crockett must be living in a bubble. She must not be living in regular America where people are struggling to pay their bills, their rent, their food prices, and any other supplies that they need in everyday living. $5,000 is a lot of money. Included, they will also receive their regular tax returns that they receive during the year. So once you double it up, they can survive the year of inflation until it possibly goes down and the economy gets better. Why would someone say something as ignorant as you don't need $5,000? Now, I want to ask you this. When Trump and Elon Musk tell American people you're going to get this $5,000, is her and her supporters going to send that $5,000 back, or they're going to take it and put it in their bank account and still complain that they received $5,000? No, I believe they're going to take the money. And Miss Crockett has to understand it's okay being a Democrat, but damn it, be a smart Democrat. $5,000 means something to somebody who's living paycheck to paycheck. You understand? They can't worry about what USAID is doing for gender affirming surgery and all this other crap that they're spending trillions of dollars on. But they can take that $5,000 and go ahead and buy them something that they really need, or pay rent that they can barely afford. See, she doesn't understand that because she's living good as a Democrat. She's probably got a boyfriend or husband who makes good money. They're living good in Washington or in Texas. So she doesn't understand what the average American is going through. And plus, she's a zealot. So whatever Trump says is good, to her is bad. And that's not how politics should be. She should say, yes, this would possibly be good. See, this is what the American people don't like. When somebody is against something that's actually good. This is what American people don't like. When the government is becoming smaller, not bigger, but smaller, because you can do less with more in a country, believe it or not. But see, the only thing they see is if government is getting bigger, that means they're getting more powerful. See, less government means less government workers, means less campaign funds going to the Democrat Party. See, the notice comes down. It doesn't come down from Hakeem Jeffries. It comes down from Nancy Pelosi. She knows how powerful the bureaucracy is in any government. Look at the Soviet Union. That's what they would always build. If they had a bureaucracy, they would have so many people to keep eyes on the people and serve the people who vote for them. And this is what Jasmine Crockett is angry about. Put more money in the people's pocket. What they gonna do with that? She actually said, what are the people going to do with the $5,000? Well, that's $5,000 more than they had yesterday. So what do you think they're going to do with the money? Nothing. See, this is the arrogance that the Democrat Party has become. Back in the day, they did not act like this 25 years ago. They would have been happy that the people received their money back. But today, they want to control all dollars for their special project programs. And that is, the days may be over with. If there's money going back to the American people, people know what to do with their own money. See, she acts like she know what's best for the people. So you telling me all those college kids at HBCUs who receive that $5,000 won't be happy? They'll send that money back? I don't believe it. You have families out here. If you have a family of four, the mother and the father receive $5,000 each. I don't know how that would be done. That'll be $10,000. They could do a lot with $10,000, but she don't understand that. She has become extremely arrogant. The spotlight has been put on her. And see, when the spotlight is put on you, you just can't go out here and say anything. See, right there, by her saying that, say if she ran for higher office, those words will come back and haunt her. You have to be wise with your decision making. She's very emotional, and her emotionalism is getting out of control. Now, you know the liberal media will try and come out and basically try and say she didn't mean that. You took it in the wrong way. We know what you said. And that type of arrogance will get you politically destroyed in a country where people are fighting for every dollar to make ends meet. We all know this. This is not a good look for her. She should be quiet. I didn't see anybody else in the Congressional Black Caucus say something like this, because that would be a death knell. You telling me that black people don't need $5,000 in the hood? That's what you saying? We not even talking about middle class white America or lower. We talk about black people, which you possibly represent mostly in your Texas district. What's that going to do? People will look at you like you nuts. But this is what happens when someone becomes a so-called political superstar by the media. That black folks don't deserve $5,000. We deserve a government program that most of us never even see. If you don't want the $5,000, send it back. They'll gladly take it back. I would love to hear your comments in the comment section. I want to thank you for listening to Black Psych. Hope you subscribe to this channel. Smash that like button, but also share this video.